everybody, and welcome to yet another episode of Little Steps, Loud Thoughts, where the smallest voices say the biggest things. And today I have in my studio a very special guest. For today's episode is Unfiltered with 5-year-old. And my special 5-year-old guest today would like to introduce himself. So tell me, your name.
Hello, my name is Jahan Khan.
Welcome, Jahan. So, which class are you in?
I am in RTF2.
RTF2. What does RTF2 stand for? Do you know the full form of RTF2?
Full form, in full form, we are in RTF1, that time 4. Now we became 5. So we
Yes.
are in RTF2.
So now that you're 5 years old, you're in RTF2, which is ready to fly, which is also senior KG, right?
Yeah.
So you're a big boy.
Yes, I am a big boy.
Tell me, Jahan, what do you like best about your school? What do you do in school?
The best part is the coloring.
You really enjoy coloring, do you?
Yeah.
What about the studies? You don't like studies?
I love tracing and writing.
Tracing and writing. And what else? What is the name of your school? Have you told everybody the name of your school?
My name of the school is Little Millennium.
Very good. And where is Little Millennium?
And Little Millennium is in Balewadi.
It's in Balewadi, correct. Very good. So in Little Millennium Balewadi, what else do you do apart from studies and coloring? Do you also do sports?
Sports. Yes, we do sports.
What do you do?
Like football exercise.
Football. Okay. Do you like football, Jahan?
Yes.
Yes? You love playing football?
Yes.
What do you like most about football?
Football most. That we will get a trophy if we win.
You will get a trophy if you win, correct. So to win, what do you have to do in football?
You have to win the match and do goals.
Do goals, right. Did you watch the Football World Cup? We recently had Football World Cup, right?
Yeah, and I watched it, and now my dada got Singapore chips, and it also had Messi with a World Cup.
Oh wow, it has
Picture.
Messi with the World Cup. So do you
Picture.
like Messi?
Yes, Messi my favorite player.
Messi is your favorite player. And who won the Football World Cup?
Messi.
Messi won the Football World Cup. Okay, great. And so in football, what position do you play in? Do you make goals or are you the goalkeeper?
I make goals.
You make goals. Wow. So you must really be fast.
Yes.
Yes? So tell me, I'm going to ask you a few rapid questions, okay? No, fast. You know what is So when I ask you, you have to immediately answer. No time to think. Okay?
Okay.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is fish and rice.
Okay. What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
And your favorite cartoon character?
My favorite cartoon character is Bumblebee.
Who's your favorite teacher?
My favorite teacher is Shalini ma'am.
Okay. And who's your best friend?
My best friend is Dulva.
Durva. And who loves you more, mama or papa? That is a trick question. You don't need to answer that. Mama, papa love their children equally, right?
Yeah.
Very good. But with that, I come to the mama papa section. So you know what I'm going to do?
Yeah.
I'm going to ask you some questions in which you have to say either mama or papa. Okay?
Okay.
Only one answer is allowed. Okay? So who helps you with homework?
Mama helps me with homework.
Who plays with you?
Dada plays with me.
And who cooks at home?
Mama cooks.
Mama cooks. Who wakes up early in the house?
Dada wakes up.
Dada wakes up. Right now, mama and dada are equal score. So let's see who cleans the house.
We have a maid.
You have a maid. Okay. So does dada help mama with housework?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So we have an equal score for mama and dada. That's lovely. Right? And what do you do at home? Do you help mama at home?
Yes. By cooking the jelly.
By
One
cooking?
day, we were making a jelly. Me and Mama.
You were making a jelly.
Me and
Wow,
Mama.
you and mama. Lovely. So you think that children should help their mamas at home?
Yes.
Yes. And what do you do, Jahan, in your free time when you don't
In my
study?
free time, I watch TV and play with my favorite character, Bumblebee.
You watch TV and play with your favorite character. Do you have friends at home also in your society?
Yes.
Yes. Who's your favorite, your best friend in your society? You have anyone particular, or you play with all of them?
I play with some kids.
Some kids. Okay. And do you like reading, Jahan?
I don't know how to read.
You don't know how to read? Okay, we are learning that in school, right? We are learning how to read. What else do you do in school? Have you done any science experiments?
We don't do at school. We do at home.
You do at home.
Ma'am gives us and we have to do it at home.
Okay, so you've done an experiment at home?
Yes.
Which one was it?
The one which didn't
What
happen.
happened? Okay, maybe we have to read the instructions again and try it again. We'll try it in school.
It didn't change color.
It didn't change color. Okay, maybe we'll tell Shalini ma'am to do it in school and show. Hai na? We'll do once in school. I think there's another experiment that will be done in school. Will that be fun? Will you enjoy
Yeah.
if we have to do it in school?
Yeah. In RTF 1 we were making a helicopter.
You were making a helicopter.
Like that fun activities.
Yes. In RTF 2 also we are going to make a lot of things.
And like we took it home like that we do.
Yes, and then you can take it home. What else do you study in class? Have you studied about money?
Yes.
Yes. I know you all were tracing coins, no? Did you
Yeah.
trace?
Yeah.
Which coin did you trace?
At home I traced Singapore coins.
Oh, at home you traced Singapore coins. And in class, which coin did you trace?
Old coins.
Old coins. Okay. Was that fun?
Yeah.
You enjoyed that activity,
Yes.
no?
And I saw a little bit numbers coming from down.
Little bit numbers coming. Yes. So you have fun in school, Jahan? You like your school?
Yes.
Will you miss us when you go to first standard?
Yes.
Going to go to Singapore, right?
Yeah, Singapore.
Lovely. It was amazing talking to you, Jahan. Did you like talking to me?
Yes.
Yes. Thank you so much for coming today. And now we're going to look at the camera, and what are we going to say? We're going to say that's a wrap.
That's a lab.
So let's look there. Do this.
I don't know that.
Your 2 fingers inside? Yes. And say that's a wrap.
That's a lab.
Very good. Thank you, Jahan.